Okay, some additional help here in section 5.1, your homework tonight. I'm going to help you with first number 53. Okay, so in number 53, problem is cosine squared y divided by 1 minus sine y. And the instruction is to simplify. So we look at cosine squared y over 1 minus sine y, and what we can do here is we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate, 1 plus sine y over 1 plus sine y. When we do that, we get cosine squared y times 1 plus sine y all over 1 minus sine squared y. Okay, the denominator 1 minus sine y times 1 plus sine y becomes 1 minus sine squared y. You should be able to identify the denominator now from a Pythagorean identity. 1 minus sine squared y is negative cosine, or cosine squared y. And when we see cosine squared y in the numerator and denominator, we can cross those out, and we're left with 1 plus sine y. Okay, so that's how you would simplify for number 53. And number 71, okay, the instruction in number 71 is also to simplify. You're given sine x plus cosine x, quantities all squared. In this case, you have to FOIL. So we're going to go ahead and FOIL sine x plus cosine x times sine x plus cosine x. And when we go ahead and FOIL that, we get sine squared x plus 2 sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x. Once again, you should see Pythagorean identity, sine squared x plus cosine squared x is 1. So we're left with 1 plus 2 sine x cosine x. And that's your answer. Third one I'll do to get you started is number 77. Number 77, we need to perform just the operation. It's cosine x over 1 plus sine x. And we're adding to that 1 plus sine x over cosine x. We need to create common denominators. Common denominator will be cosine x times 1 plus sine x. So the common denominator is this. Now we need to adjust the numerators. For this numerator of cosine x, we need to multiply it by cosine x to create cosine squared x. Now we've adjusted that numerator. For the second numerator, we need to multiply it times 1 plus sine x. Unfortunately, at this point, we need to FOIL that. So our numerator is cosine squared x plus, we're going to FOIL 1 plus 2 sine x plus sine squared x. We haven't touched the denominator yet. Alright, now the numerator, you see we have a cosine squared plus a sine squared. That's equal to 1. That 1 plus this 1 makes 2.
If you're in the building, please come to the reception area. Your mother's been waiting. Cornelia, please come to the reception area. Thank you.
Okay, so now we can factor out a 2 from both of these terms. The 1 plus sine x's cancel out. We're left with 2 over cosine x, which is the same as 2 secant x. And that is your right answer. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful. Good luck, ladies.